Hi and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download free themes for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to go to the settings on your Samsung smartphone, scroll a bit where you will find the option themes. You need to click on it and here you will find all the themes. So there are some that they are featured. You can buy here as well. If you see, there is the amount mentioned here, which is in Thai language. So if I want to download themes which are free of cost, all I need to do is to tap on top, and here you will find the free themes available right here. These are Galaxy themes, so if you scroll a bit, you will find more free options, as you can see right here. And this one, you need to select the one that you want to download. So suppose I want to download like this one. So once you tap on it, you can scroll to the right. You can just check how it is and how it will look on your phone. Once you're satisfied, just tap on download and it will start downloading, and it will give you the option to apply it on your phone later on. So guys, this is how you can download free themes for your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.